Hello everyone, my name is Muskan, a soft skill trainer, graphologist, and the founder of Your Voice, a personality development institute, which offers courses like spoken English, public speaking, and creative writing. Thank you, Parenting Siliguri, for this wonderful opportunity. Today, I'm going to share my thoughts on few topics. Everyone tells, fight your fear and you will be successful. डर के आगे जीत है. But is it so easy to fight our fears? Well, believe me when I tell this, it's not. It took me 6 years and dropping my dream to actually go near the fear, face it, and I don't know yet whether I'm successful or not. Let me share why. And that's also the entire reason behind why Your Voice was founded. I used to be a good student in school. Good would be an understatement, I would say. Top 3 in class. Naturally, I was the one who was asked to represent the class or school in different competitions. And one of them was public speaking. In 6th standard, it was my first opportunity to represent myself in a debate. I went up on stage. I started speaking. I looked up at the audience. Then I couldn't utter a word. I was so scared. I didn't know how to respond. There were 1,000 people looking at me directly. I was very scared. I just went back, sat on my bench. I actually made a fool out of myself that day. But never mind, I didn't pay attention. But deep inside me, I knew that next time, I will not be able to go up on stage and represent. And I let it go because other things were quite brilliant. This was one aspect that could be ignored. Little did I know that this aspect of public speaking would make such a huge difference in my life. When I was in 12th standard, I wanted to become a corporate lawyer. I enrolled for it. I started studying. And amidst all of this, I realized I can never be a good corporate lawyer because this means interacting with people, being spontaneous, expressing my voice, expressing my opinions, which I am not good at. So I dropped my dream of becoming a lawyer. I went for a management course. And there also, I had to speak. I had to give presentations. And that's when I realized the importance of public speaking. How much difference it can make if you are able to express, to voice your opinions. I started working on myself. And after college, I knew what to do. I knew I had to make a difference in other people's life so that they don't suffer like me. That the kids today know that this is an important aspect which they need to focus on. It's not taken lightly. That's when Your Voice was founded. With the mission that every child knows the importance of public speaking and is able to voice their opinions. With the vision that we can make a difference. Public speaking is no rocket science. It's a learnable skill, and I tell that again and again. A child who couldn't speak in front of 1,000 people in 6th standard today is speaking in front of 1,000, 2,000 people, 3,000 people. How did that happen? It didn't happen this way. It's a learnable skill. That's why it could actually make a difference. There are few techniques that one needs to focus on, one needs to learn. And the earlier you start, the better you can be. And public speaking is not only about standing up on stage, talking to different people. It's also one-on-one interaction. It's also going to a chocolate shop and asking for a chocolate. Calling the Domino's guy and asking for a pizza. That's also a part of public speaking. And every child should know this aspect, should polish this aspect if they are confident enough. Because whatever they become in future, public speaking is a must. Expressing our thoughts in better words, using better vocabulary is a life skill that one needs to know. And that's what we do at Your Voice. Every technique is taught, right from standing on stage, the way you dress up, our voice, our body language, our eye contact, word usage, everything makes a difference. And all of this is taught with simple interactive lessons. The children are not spoon fed. It's not like any other class where they have to compulsory sit. It's a fun activity, interactive, where children learn by doing. They learn by watching other kids. They learn by watching me. They learn by watching TEDx videos. They visualize themselves standing there on stage talking to thousands of people. That's what public speaking is. It's a fun, interactive lesson. And today, believe me when I tell you this, it's a life skill. Everything requires speaking today. Communication is an essential part of our lives. Kids should go for public speaking lessons or maybe taught at homes. Because if he wants to order a Domino's pizza next time, he doesn't hesitate. Thank you.